Hi, nice to meet you, everyone. It's Rémi Jourdain, Chief Network Officer of the company Yes, Your Education Success. And today my goal will be to explain you everything regarding the business, the different product, and how you can take your advantage from this business. So let me introduce myself a little bit. My name is Rémi Jourdain, 26 years old, started this industry as young kids, big dreams, big goals, big inspiration. And 8 years from now, my life was totally different than what I have right now. I did my first $1 million at 21 years old, but at 18, I was athlete in sports in high level, bicycle, motocross, and after a big injury, I had to find another way to make money. In 2015, November, a young guy introduced me to this business. He was in a real estate agency. He invited me at a presentation. I see someone was really successful in the business. I started with my first $500, and look what happened. 3 years later, I did my first $1 million. 5 years later, $2 million plus, and I help thousands and thousands of people to be profitable and make money with this business. So long story short, let's start this business. Let's make a difference together. So first things, disclaimer, dear customer, we wish to inform you that our services are subject to legal notice, and it's important to understand when you invest in financial market, it can be volatile, there is no guarantee, and you have to develop your skills when you invest in this company. How is the economic market right now? The banks are going bankrupt, money is losing its value, centralized system. Is your money safe? Banks print money every day, which exposes to the economy, to the inflation. Large companies and financial institutions own your money, so you have no control and no guarantee over your money. So what is the solution right now? The blockchain is the solution. If you have already invested and never for the moment, you have to understand that all big entrepreneurs and wealthy people in the world invest in crypto. You have control, you are the owners of your investments, and you can use them as you wish. No inflation. With each new user's investments gain value every day. Decentralized finances, only 4% of the world's populations is part of the blockchain. So right now, let's talk about Robert Kiyosaki, inequalities of wealth in the world. 95% on the world, they own 5% on the world's wealth, and 5% of the world, they own 95% and all the wealth in this world. Why? Because they are the left quadrant of cash flow and right side. 60% they are employee. The income they generate comes from a system that does not belong to them and for which they work. 35% their income comes from a business they own and they work for, but the day they stop, they will never get paid. Right side, 4% they are entrepreneurs. They have a system that they don't need to work in a business because others do it for them. And the last one, investors, 1%, they are remunerated by investing in other people or assets. So your goal right now is to become an entrepreneur, an investor to make more money. And I will show you how to get it done. Next things, it's about free behavior regarding investment. First way, it's about spending your money. No cash inflow, you lose your income. Saving, you have no cash flow, nothing. You lose your money because in the world, 8% is the average inflation. Everything is higher price, but you never get paid more by your boss. Invest, possible cash flow, passive income. You create multiple sources of income, and the goal is to invest in the long term to become wealthy in this world. The evolution of crypto right now, whatever you already invest or not, you have 3 big names: Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, Bill Gates. They say Bitcoin could reach over $1 million in the future, according to the experts. Bitcoin from day one did $27,000, 27%, 13,000% for Ripple, 400,000% for Ethereum. You can understand that right now we have a changement paradigm economy, and I can help you to understand this. Yes, change the world. An ecosystem with the aim of learning skills, earning money, multiplying your money. Let me introduce you the different product. Yes Academy, Learn to Earn, a revolution in the world of education and decentralized finance. We have private partnership with John C. Maxwell, Grant Cardone, #1 in personal growth, in leadership, in real estate, in closing, on speaking on stage. We have training with a lot of added values, live session with the top world's coach, access to private mastermind. Everything is translated in French, English, Italian, Spanish, whatever, and you have access to different skills on the platform, plus 500 hours. You have digital marketing, leadership, closing, sales, call market, Forex, crypto, gold, index, ETF, whatever. You can develop your skills and make money from this. Knowledge is power. Learn new skills and earn money at the same time. Second product, Yes Learn Copy and Win, a set of copy trading services on Forex, crypto, and index that will allow you to take advantage of the various opportunities offered by the financial market to its thousands of users. Trading Forex, it's $6,000 billion market. That's just crazy, guys. And imagine with only 30 minutes, no skills, no time, you can directly from your phone make profits on this. Why? Because we have an exclusive traders team that will trade for you. They will give you all the calls, all the signal. And the only thing you have to do is to copy paste, respect the money management, and we're gonna help you to make money from this. You have transparency of trades, push notification and sound alerts, real-time trading status updates, pip tracking in real time, money management. Everything is done to make sure you can be profitable on the market. The last product we have is Yes Freedom, private wealth management services that we're gonna do a DCA strategy, dollar cost average. It's a personalized service from Yes that allow you to grow your portfolio and achieve an automated return of up to 300% over 36 months, thanks to the financial decision made by our expert on your behalf. There's any guarantee. That's the goal that we set up right now based on what will happen on the market in crypto. Advantage of private wealth management, you have accumulation, strategy, efficiency, front security, dollar cost averaging. So we invest to make sure that we have the best entry points directly with the company and to make sure that we can deliver an average of 4-5% a month. And you can withdraw every year, every 3 years. I will explain you how it works and the power of compound interest. What is the benefits of private wealth management? The halving 23-24, 2025 coming soon, no low capital, regulated services, investment in the contract. Right now, we have an average automatic return of 0.30% per day. So imagine in 1 year, you will earn in average 50%, 2 years, 100%, 3 years, 150%. But if you have trust and long-term vision, you didn't withdraw for the next 3 years, you will earn 60% in average first years, 150% second year, 300% third year. So this is an average. There is no guarantee, but now we have one of the best timing, and you will take benefit from the halving 2023-2024. Where we are going, what is the vision of the company? Yes NFT, yes swap, yes card, yes real estate. Let me explain you everything. Yes NFT, buy and sell rare coins, sell your own artworks, launch your NFT collection, secure the purchase of your NFT, attract a community of fans. So guys, what is crazy right now? Imagine tomorrow, Louis Vuitton, Hermes, Gucci, they launch their own NFT collection. They launch their masterpiece art collection. We're gonna be like a digital marketing agency that will sold out the collection for them, and you're gonna have an exclusive ownership, propriety with the NFT that you own some art collection, and you're gonna sell it and make profit on it. Next product, it's Yes Real Estate. Height, yield, potential, portfolio diversification, investment control, inflation protection. We buy, we renovate, we sell, and imagine right now, you can have fraction 1, 2, 3, 4, 5% on those real estate investments and make profit on it. Yes card, crypto debit card and application, convert your finances to your advantage, earn cashback rewards, sell and receive crypto, buy and sell coins, make payment and withdrawal. You're gonna have the Yes card, and directly you can do all the different transactions you want, and you will never have your money blocked. Yes Swap, it's our exclusive exchange, decentralized. Exchange your crypto in total security. Yes Swap serve as both a wallet and an exchange platform at the same time. Invest easily in crypto. You can invest in your favorite crypto using Yes Swap. Trade your crypto with Yes Swap. You can trade on the market and make profits. And guys, really important, we have no KYC. You will never have your account blocked like in Binance and many other exchanges right now. You have the confidentiality, and every transaction you're gonna do directly on the platform. Yes, it's about the Yes token, cryptocurrency of the future, based on a solid project that will embrace several sector as Web3, the metaverse, artificial intelligence, and so on. A committed community. The Yes company is launching its token name, the Yes token. Will you miss the opportunity? You have probably missed out on a Bitcoin opportunity, but you don't worry. Yes with Yes token, we are looking at the next Bitcoin. So BTC 2023 January was at 20K. The goal is to reach 250K in 2025. $1,500 will go up to 20K, $25 for Ethereum. So 12x, 16x. Imagine with the Yes token, the goal is to launch the token at $0.05 and reach $5. So the goal is to 100x our investment based on our own product. The evolution of the crypto. Now that you have the information, what do you decide? Will you join the adventure or not? 2018, BTC was at 17,000. 2021, 40K, 63, 64K, 2022. Right now, the market is at 29K, $29. And the goal is to reach 250K by 2025. So we have one of the best timing to invest. Last things, it's about Yes Foundation. We fight against illiteracy. We build school creation, a better world, becoming an actor of your own success, impact the world, accessible education. Many people in this world, they don't have the access of this kind of opportunity. And all the production, the commission from this company, we will deliver like 3% of the global sales of the company to build schools and help people to build a better world. So really simple. First, we have the copy trading. You take the signal. We have the education. You can develop many skills in entrepreneurship. And the last product, we have Yes Freedom, Wealth Private Management, and you will earn an average of 4-5% a month, automatic return of 0.13% per day. Brand new product will launch: NFT, real estate, Yes Card, Yes Swap, Yes Token. We have everything, and you have one of the best timing right now. You have 3 categories of people. First things, you want to become a customer. I invite you to go back to reach directly the person that just sent you this video, and she will help you directly to invest, to start with the different products and start to make money. Second way, you have some question, contact and reach back the person that contacts you, send you this video, she will explain you everything with an expert of the company. And last one, if you want to create a real opportunity, I will send you another video that will show you how to take benefits by sharing this opportunity. Right now, we have one of the best timing. You have to understand you can be the best in this world. If you have no timing, you will do nothing. You can be the worst. If you have an amazing timing, you can create and set up your life at a new level. So right now, the timing is here. You are your own timing. Never regret your decision. I'm here to help you, to advise you, to show you how to make money from this company. Thank you so much for your time. I wish you an amazing success and can't wait to see you soon. Bye.